Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your home destination on the Translink NI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on this pencil icon next to the personal area section at the top. Click on home, choose a destination, and then you should type in the name of your of the point that you would like to set as your home destination, and then click on the check mark icon to save it that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. And as you can see, it has been added as your home destination. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.